Oh my gosh, guys, would not believe that L'Oreal Paris reached out to me and want to partner with me with doing makeup. Makeup. We haven't done any artistic expression in a while because I've been doing with my other love and art. But I did take their test and I wanted to show you what I had to do to find my actual shade. Let's do it. So I went to their website, L'Oreal Paris. Oh my God, I'm so excited. And you click on it to do your face analysis. And you have to spin in a circle because the light is going to reflect all around you at different angles in order for their technology to be able to scan your skin and your face. This tells you so much about yourself. Oh, so cousin, I'm really excited. Be on the lookout for a whole bunch of more makeup tutorials, and I'm gonna update and show you how this shade does on my skin. I'll see you later, cousins. Bye, and welcome to the Nash house.